Lesson number 11, the lot concept. You can determine the amount of the position by entering lot parameter. This provides info to the broker firm about the amount of the position. We have already made examples about buying and selling, but went into detail about the lot concept. As we learned before, this is the main field to specify the lot size in the order window. Every trader must check the amount of the order in order to avoid opening a position with big amounts before pressing on the buy or sell button. Then, how will we know how many units do one lot represents? As it will take too much time to list all instruments in terms of lots, this will be useless. MetaTrader already provides info about the contract size of one lot. Let's assume that we want to learn the units represented in Euro USD one lot. To do this, we first click on the relevant pair and open the specification tab. The contract size section gives the size of the contract under the specification tab of the relevant pair. You see that the contract side of your USD pair is 100,000. This means that we invest 100,000 euros in if we open one lot position. These values are denominated in base currency and clearly defined in this field. What does base currency mean? The left side currency is defined as base currency, while the right side currency is the counter currency in a pair. Because the base currency in your USD pair is euros, we said 100,000 euros. The base currency in USD JPY pair is US dollars. The base currency in JBP USD pair is British pounds. Some pairs do not contain the counter currency. You cannot see the cross-currency in stock market indices, commodities, or stocks, but this does not mean that they do not have a cross-currency. In this type of investment products, the counter currency is always US dollars, with some exceptions. The stocks traded in Europe are denominated in euros. In currency pairs, one lot is always 100,000 base currency without any exception. In commodities, the one lot size is generally specified in the market, although it may change across broker firms. Let's look at the values in our broker. Let's try to understand the amount of units specified in 1 lot ounce of gold. We right-click on gold and open specification tab. As you see, 100 is written in the contract size and base currency is defined as gold. We understand that there are 100 golds in one lot. Now we see that the price of ounce of gold is 1,782 US dollars. So if we chose to invest 1 lot in gold, then we'll be investing 1,782 times 100, which amounts to 178.2 US dollars. Of course, there's no need to invest in that size. We can invest less by using leverage, but this subject will be discussed in the next lesson. Let's look at WTI. We can easily see that one lot amounts to 1,000 barrels. If this lot is too much, then you can decrease the lot size. Let's explain this over. Euro to USD pair. If you type in 0.1 lot instead of 1 lot, then you'll be choosing a mini lot, which is 1/10 of 1 lot. We'll be opening a position of 10 euros instead of 100 euros. If this exceeds your limit, then you can also choose mini lot, which is 1/10 of 1 lot. If you type 0.01 in the lot field, you'll be choosing 1 micro lot. In the case, you'll be specifying 1,000 euros to invest. You can use micro lots as well as a multiplier, so you can enter values such as 0.07, 0.36, 1.43. However, you cannot go under 0.01. We will clarify the lot definition by relating the subject to leverage. Now let's move on to the next lesson.